Here's how to remove a toilet.
Turn off the water. Flush to empty the tank.
Because this toilet is in a tight space and it will be awkward to lift, I'll remove it in two pieces. If it's one-piece toilet or you have a strong back, you only need to unbolt the toilet from the floor.
Use a sponge and bucket to remove any excess water from the bottom of the tank. Bail and sponge the water out of the bowl. Disconnect the water supply line from the fill valve by turning it counterclockwise. There'll be 2 or 3 bolts that connect the bowl to the tank. You may find wing nuts or nuts on the underside of the bowl. Turn the nuts or wing nuts counterclockwise to remove them. If they're rusty or stuck, I have a video that gives some tips on how to remove rusty stuck bolts. Lift the tank off the bowl. Next, remove the bowl from the flange. If the bowl is on a tile floor, it may be glued down. Take a putty knife and work it between the bowl and the tile to release the glue. If the bowl is glued to the tile and you don't break the bond, when you pull the toilet up, you could also pull up the tiles.
Many toilets just have 2 bolts that come up through the flange. This one has 2 additional bolts that come up through the floor.
After all the nuts are removed, pick the toilet up. The wax ring on the underside is going to be very sticky. Set it down on newspaper or cardboard.
Underneath the toilet is the wax ring. This particular one has a rubber collar. If you plan to have the toilet removed for a period of time, cover the hole so that sewer gases can't escape into your home. I hope you find this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.